Due to a significant increase in household fires involving the consumer unit as the point of ignition, mainly due to poor installation, Amendment 3 to the IET wiring regulations requires consumer unit enclosures for use in domestic household premises to be made from non-combustible material. The regulations give an example of non-combustible material as ferrous steel. The term enclosure means the complete enclosure assembly, including box, cover, door or visor, hinges and catches, and any components that are necessary to maintain fire containment. The enclosure assembly cannot have any of its external parts manufactured from a combustible material. In short, the enclosure must be of an all-metal construction with no external plastic parts. The intent of the new regulation is to ensure that the enclosure material is capable of containing fire and minimizing flames from being emitted. To comply fully with Amendment 3, Wylex consumer unit enclosures are fully constructed in non-combustible ferrous steel and finished in a low smoke and fume paint. Cable entry knockouts are included on 5 external faces, with a choice of knockout sizes and locations that will cater for a wide variety of cable entry requirements, whether single or groups of cables. The back entry knockouts are large enough to cater for a full installation and are ideal for concealed cable entry. A cable entry gland is available, which provides supplementary insulation to the main tails similar to a Class 2 construction to protect against potential faults from damaged insulation. Within the Wylex enclosure, there is a raised DIN rail and busbar assembly with ample cable and wiring space beneath the removable DIN rail so that cables can enter the enclosure from any direction and easily be routed to the termination points on the devices and terminal rails. This strengthened DIN rail assembly provides rigid support for the MCBs and RCBOs, and this gives extra stability while connecting devices, particularly useful with the larger cables. There's extra height within the enclosure for tall devices such as single-module RCBOs, with plenty of space between the RCBO and the terminal rails, making it easy to wire and connect devices. Outgoing neutral and earth terminals have a generous 16mm capacity throughout, and the integral wiring on main switches and RCDs is factory-fitted to save time on site. Wylex units incorporate a choice of busbar systems, including a no-miss fixed busbar version that is so designed that the devices can't be incorrectly installed, and the MCB RCBO balcony terminal screw cannot miss the busbar connection. This gives a secure incoming connection arrangement and aids correct installation. For unused ways, there is a non-combustible cover blank, and the door is top hinged so as to remain closed in its normal position, and this will further assist fire containment. The range includes single or dual row boards up to 38 outgoing ways and covers the widest range of variants available in the UK market, including the high integrity and dual RCD units that have become commonplace under the 17th edition. Plus there's always the Wylex custom build facility for those applications that need special units made to order. Wylex all-metal consumer units, specifically designed for use in domestic household premises, are tested for fire containment performance, fully certified to BSEN 61439 UCAS, and are manufactured in ISO 9001 manufacturing facilities. Wylex NM consumer units for domestic household premises.